Good day, my people. You all are welcome. I'm here to talk about this title giving of a thing, whereby Igbo traditional rulers are giving title to politicians. Not just politicians that are not even Igbos. Last time, Tinubu came to Anambra State. The traditional rulers in council of Anambra State gave him a title. They called him DK Simba I of Anambra. Tinubu's wife visited Enugu State. The traditional rulers in council of Enugu State gave her a title. They gave her Ugo Simba I of Enugu. We are now in Simba's kingdom. Ndi Simba. Just imagine. What have Tinubu and his wife done for Igbo land to warrant all those titles? You are giving title to Tinubu and his wife, whereas the Igbos are dying in the hands of Fulani herdsmen. All over Igbo land, Fulani herdsmen, bandits are killing people. Tinubu is doing nothing to stop all those menaces in Igbo land. But you people still gave him and his wife a title. What have the wife of Tinubu done for Enugu State or Igbo land in general to warrant the title that they gave to her? What thing Tinubu wife don't do for Igbo people? Una just come carry title, give that woman just like that. Because the traditional rulers of Igbo land today, they don't know the importance of title. They don't know the sacredness of title. They don't know what title is. They just think that anybody will just come, we give them title. If you give us money, we give you title. If we say be president of the country, we give you title. That's it. Our traditional rulers in council don't know their words. They don't know what thing that they do. Who be Tinubu wife or not to they give them title? Title say she do waiting. Say she just the wife of president when I carry title give am. Is that how other tribes in the country are giving titles to Tinubu and his wife? Other tribes, president and the wife go visit them. They will welcome them. Just like that, they don't say, okay, you don't finish now, just welcome you. But for Igbo land, they go carry title go. So Igbo people will be saying, why they complain? Don't be title they give them. So what have Tinubu done to stop the menace of Fulani herdsmen in Igbo land? Hunger everywhere. The country is upside down. Yet you gave him a title. That was how you people gave title to Buhari. It will say Buhari wife na woman with the poor body. Una go still give her title. If that idiot called Reno Mokri becomes the president of Nigeria tomorrow and he visits Anambra State traditional rulers in council will give him a title. They might give him Nsobundibo I of Anambra State. If he goes to Enugu State, they will give him Akanado Sandibo I of Enugu. Everything where una just see now na they give title. If rats enter Igbo land, you go carry title comot. If goats enter Igbo land, you go carry title comot. Everything at all is taking title from Igbo land. Igbo traditional institution, wake up. Stop making Igbo land a laughing stock. Because una they show people say una not get value. There are so many Igbo sons and daughters that are in detention. They don't do anything but they need detention. Do everything possible to bring them out. Do everything possible to stop the menace of Fulani herdsmen in Igbo land. Do everything possible to make sure that we have a functional seaport in the southeast. Do everything possible to make sure that Igbo land have infrastructure. These are what you people are supposed to be doing because you are representing the Igbo race. Not giving title to people that did nothing for the Igbo race. People say nothing that they do but una they give them title. And this title giving of a thing should stop. Stop giving title to whatever you see. Now president we go give him title. Now this one we go give him title. Whereas great sons of Igbo land where they do things, where they make things happen, una not they even talk of to give them title. Now Tinubu and the wife, waiting Tinubu and the wife don't do for Igbo people. Some people say, the title that we are giving them is a strategy for them to do what we want. For them to do what you want. Since una start to give title for this country, waiting they don't do for una. Igbos are busy giving titles to people, doing this for people, making everybody to know that we have open hearts to them, but yet they still don't love us, yet they still hate us. Igbo is the most hated tribe in Nigeria. Do you think that giving title to them will make them love you? What we Igbos need is unity. See, when we are united, nothing where people they do well they pain us, because we are speaking with one voice. When we come out and speak, they will hear us. So it's not by giving title. It's not by giving title. Igbo traditional rulers, you people should stop giving all this title of it. Stop it. Let's focus on what we better Igbo and not giving title. All this giving title of it is just like we are insulting ourselves. Just imagine, look at what this traditional ruler is doing. Carry two hands, they shake Tinubu wife. Who be Tinubu wife? If you say they stand up for a woman, they shake woman with your two hands. This is why Igbo traditional rulers are not being respected. If to say Tinubu and the wife go meet their own, two of them will bow down to their own. If you go meet Oba Obini, he and the wife go bow down. If you come Igbo land, now our traditional rulers go, they stand up, they shake them with our two hands. Nothing we not go see for this Igbo land. Traditional rulers they do, religious leaders they do. Nobody know himself. Tinubu and the wife were supposed they worship una. Now una they worship them. Why? You people don't know your worth. You don't know what you are. You don't know what you represent. It's not to they show their character say things not they well for Igbo land. When they laugh, they open hand for them like say everything good for una. People will say their community they under the attack of Fulani herdsmen. See as their king they laugh. Igbo traditional institution they need orientation. Orientation of what kingship represents, who kings are, what kings do, what they should do and what they should not do. Some of those kings, they just give them money, they don't know what they do again. Many of those kings are kings that are being put there by the governor. You gonna hear say, hey, governor put this person for throne, oh, he make him king, oh, he gave him the staff of office. Can you imagine? So all these kind of king webs and a governor puts, they don't represent the people. They are only representing the agenda. What the governor wants, that is what they do. That's why Fulani kill people for their community. They don't they talk because now governor put them for there. All these governor will be say they are not interested to secure Igbo land from Fulani herdsmen attack. Governor of Enugu State, he's not doing anything to protect his people from Fulani herdsmen. If that kind of governor put person for throne as king, how you think say that king go to function well? So many of these kings you are seeing in Igbo land that are doing anyhow are kings put by the British during colonial era. They are just there. So many of them don't even have the offer of their community because they don't represent their people. They are only representing the colonial masters and those governors that kept them there. Kings were whole offer for Igbo land, they very few. Some are in the throne, but they don't have the offer of their community. This is the reason why many of them are misbehaving. An offer holder is a well-respected person. Offer holder no they do politics. Offer holder they truthful. He they always stand by his people. Offer is king in Igbo land. Offer is the mantle of justice, leadership, and authority in Igbo land. So that's why if we see all this our king doing all these things, misbehaving, they pepper us for body because they are not representing the offer. Igbo traditional rulers, call yourselves to order. Do the right thing. Protect the Igbo race. Fight for the Igbo race. Ishiagwale.